In today's video, I'm going to show you share a powerful and a scalping trading strategy that works in crypto, forex, and option trading. This strategy is based on three professional indicators. We have EMA, exponential moving average, we have MACD, and then we have rate strength index. But these are the best indicator if you are looking for best indicator for scalping trading. So we will talk about the MACD, and then we will talk about the EMA and then related strength index. Firstly, if you want to do this thing, you have to choose your platform. This is tradingfield.com. You might desire to use or your exchange chart section to analyze fine. So firstly is that you have to choose the time you want to analyze. You have to know the basic tools, what you want to do. Maybe intraday, you have to use 15 minutes time frame. If it's scalping, you have to use 5 minute time frame. And then let's move first to the indicator. So we are talking about firstly is that we have two indicator in EMA. We have our exponential moving average 9, and then we have exponential moving average 21. I don't want to waste your time, so I've already recorded a video that teaches you about everything about the EMA. If you are not watching the video I'll put a link under the description of this video. Go and watch it. So firstly, what you do is that you have to know when to buy and then where to sell. For related strength index, we have overbought, we have oversold, we have trend filters. 30% is oversold, we have 70% as overbought, we have 50% as trend filter. So this place is telling you when to buy, when to sell, and then when to hold. For MACD, we have exponential, we have MACD line, we have signal line. So I will teach you when to buy that and then when to. So I've already recorded a video that teach about the MACD too. But if you are not watching the video, it will be the description, or it will be the link will be under the description of this video. But to wait, I will teach you everything about this thing today. Don't even skip or don't don't fast the video. Firstly is that let me explain the market trend identification for you. This is most important truth. When to know when to buy and then when to know when to sell. Firstly, I will talk about the uptrend. So about exponential moving average 9. Let's see if I can go on with MACD. Let's just for MACD. Let me first use the MACD to teach you. Okay, this is our MACD. So I will explain when to buy for us here. So for buying section at this point, it is advisable for us to look at whenever the MACD line. If you don't know the difference between MACD line and then the signal line, just wait patiently. I will explain this to you. Whenever you see the green like this, MACD line is always above, which is this line. Whenever you see the red like this, MACD line is always below. Just understand that one. But if you want to buy any trade, always buy when MACD line is above the signal line, and then you have to wait or see that the histogram is already in green color. That is the perfect time for you to buy crypto trading. And then one thing is that you have to know that is RSI is above or 50%, that's 59% or 60%. That's the minimum ways for you to buy crypto at that moment. And then don't forget, whenever your related stress index reach 70%, that is a good way for you to sell a crypto trading for you, or any trading you are holding. Maybe it's a forex trading on or option trading. So but for the down trade, whenever you see the MACD lines that cross 6 below the signal line like this, that is a downtrend. It's a way for you to short the market at that moment. And then make sure you see that the related stress index is already below 50 at that moment, with 40, and then it's coming down. So at that moment you can short your trading like that. And don't forget, watch the related stress index. Whenever the related stress index hits 30 to 20 something percent, that's a way for you to close the market. So the condition that is the buy entry rules I will give you is that firstly is exponential moving average trend. Whenever the exponential moving average 9, the small exponential moving average is cross 6 above the biggest exponential moving average, that is the condition for you to buy crypto trading or to buy a trade at that moment. And then the condition too is for you to Always confirm the latest stress index confirmation. Always buy when the latest stress index is between 50 to 65, and then you always wait for latest stress index bouncing upward, not overbought. The third consideration is MACD achieved recently. Always know that the MACD line crosses above signal and then histogram turns green like this before you buy any crypto at that moment. And then for the scalping, the target I will give you guys is to target 1%. That means if you are using 10x leverage, whenever you see 10% of the profits of the trading closes at that moment, that is a scalping strategy. But for in trading, previously you can wait for the next resistance level, so for you to take your profits. So that is about long section. Let me teach you about how to know when to short the trade. First thing is that you have to know the condition of exponential moving average at that moment too. You have to know the condition of exponential moving average. When exponential moving average none is crossing below the biggest one, that is the time for you to short. And then you have to master uh, MACD. Whenever you see the MACD line that is cross 6 below the signal line, that is a way for you to short the trade. And then you have to watch the histogram. Whenever you see this thing, we call it histogram, turn to red like this, that is a way for you to short the trading. And then you have to confirm related stress index. Latest index 35 or is at 40, that is a way for you to short the trade. But it's not advisable to use only indicator. You have to use indicator with the right strategy with support and resistance level to know the price level, when to buy and then where to source the trading. And then the same targets I will give you for scalping. Always master 1% movements and take your profit. So to increase accuracy, I will advise you to combine indicator to price action like support and resistance level, trend line bouncing, and then strong rejection candle, and then break and retest. So firstly, let me tell you this is what makes traders profitable. For long time, only reach 1 to 2% per trade and then maximize your trade and then avoid over trading. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Don't always trade in sideways markets, or you are ignoring exponential moving average, or you are ignoring latest trading that is overbought or oversold. Don't do that. So this strategy, it work for crypto trader, forex trader, intraday trader, and then option trader. And then it always work on the best major forex pairs or crypto pairs like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, or Bank on NFT. So this one was the most successful intraday strategy when followed with discipline. Exponential moving average shows the trend. Related stress index shows momentum. MACD confirm the trend. So if you like this tutorial, like the video, subscribe for more strategies. Comment live if you want a real chart example. So if you want next, I can convert this tutorial into a PDF. So you just comment PDF and I will give you. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Letty Sodiq.